Hello again. In this chapter, we will discuss benefits of breast milk for your baby because this is the best nutrition for your little one. How beneficial is this? In my opinion, it's so beneficial. It's very beneficial for your baby. It is the best nutrition for your baby. What are the benefits baby will get? So if your baby is breastfeeding, the baby has higher immunity because the baby is getting more than 200 bioactive components, antibodies from mothers. Whatever mother is having infection or whatever mother had infection during pregnancy, the baby got immunity from those infections, and now also through breast milk the baby is getting immunity via IgG, IgM and IgA antibodies. So baby has higher immunity compared to the babies who are not breastfed. Second, the breast milk will give protection from chronic illnesses like asthma, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses because it has special components which will protect your baby from these chronic illnesses. Third, the babies who are on breastfeeding have lesser chances of developing allergies in future. Fourth, it will not cause any obesity or overweight gain. So your baby is protected from infantile obesity also, which is very common these days. Fifth, it has some component which helps in better brain development. There are some studies showed that the babies who are on breast milk have higher IQ because it has so many components for the brain development, including omega-3. The babies who are breastfeeding, they have lesser chances of hospitalization or recurrent infection and the lesser chances of SIDS also because they have this stimulation, inert stimulation. If there is something which can cause SIDS, they can fight with it. And recurrent infection, diarrhea, GI infections, because it is freshly made and there are no chances of contamination. That's why there are lesser chances of intestinal infections and diarrhea also. So many benefits for the baby. Now coming to benefits for the mother. So breast milk not only gives benefit to the baby but also provides so many benefits for the mother also. What are the benefits a mother can get from the breastfeeding? So first, it secure bonding between the baby and mother. The more you feed, the more affectionate you feel with your baby. Second, it promote involution of the uterus. So what usually happens whenever we carry our baby, the uterus expand. So if the mother is breastfeeding, it helps baby in producing some hormone that will contract the uterus very fast and it will come into pre-pregnancy state. Third, the mothers who are breastfeeding have lesser chances of breast cancer, ovarian cancer and cervical cancer because if the mother is breastfeeding, there are certain level of hormone in the body is going on. So those hormonal level will protect mothers from breast cancer and cervical cancer and ovarian cancer. Fourth, it will protect the mother from osteoporosis, which is very common in the women who are not breastfeeding and after 40s. So what is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis in common language is weakening of bone or depletion of the calcium. So if a mother is breastfeeding, it will restore the calcium. Anyway, we are taking good diet and calcium supplements. So it will restore the calcium and bone density and it will help in long-term protection from the osteoporosis also. Fifth, it helps in decreasing the postpartum hemorrhage, postpartum bleeding. Sixth, it promotes secretion of the happy hormones. If the mother is happy, then there are lesser chances of going into postpartum depression, which is very common these days. Seventh, if the mother is breastfeeding, then the mother needs extra calories. Although she is taking nutritious diet, but she needs extra calories, and those extra calories comes from the fat and the weight gain which mother has during the pregnancy state. So it helps in shedding the extra fat which mother has gained during the pregnancy state. Eighth, the breastfeeding acts as a natural contraception. So whenever a mother is feeding, there are lesser chances of mother getting pregnant again, but it's not 100% safe. So you need to use extra contraception. Even you are breastfeeding, but it acts as a natural contraception. So there are so many benefits of breast milk in both baby and mother. So if you don't breastfeed and choose other options even not best for baby, but they don't have any benefit for the baby. So choose breastfeeding so that you can give best nutrition to your baby and have benefits for yourself also.